Hey there everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Northwest Craftsman. Today we're going to be doing the drawing for the cutting board that we built in the last episode. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check it out right here. But today we're going to choose one of these 5 lucky commenters on the video. I know it's a pretty small group of people, but I guess that gives you guys a 1 in 5 chance of getting this cutting board, which I'm super excited to give out to you guys. So thank you all for commenting on this. I loved reading through all the different things that you had learned. Now let's go ahead and get to this. The way that we're going to do this drawing is I'm going to take this link right here for the YouTube video, bring it over to a comment picker that you can use from online. You paste the link in here, and I want to confirm that the 5 commenters we had were found, which it looks like they were, and then we're going to go ahead and do the raffle for the random comment picker. Sorry for all of the ads in here. Maybe that's a little bit better. There we go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the raffle for the winner themselves, and let's get a drum roll started. So Alpha 9 Drone, you are the winner of this cutting board, and their comment says, "Hey Josh, great video. Always nice to learn while doing something you love to do. I learned about tight bond and the differences between 2 and 3. I really like the golden ratio though, and I'll have to keep this one in my ME learnings. It sounds similar to the rule of thirds in photography." You're totally right that it's similar to the rule of thirds in photography, and it's so interesting how the human eye just kind of picks out these visually pleasing ratios that can be described by these different concepts. In this case, the golden ratio worked really nicely. Also, Type Bond 2 and Type Bond 3, I had no idea of the differences between those two. I knew that there was something waterproof between both of them until I did this episode, but once I had done the research on it for this episode, I learned that Type Bond 3 is actually the waterproof one, though in this case, Type Bond 2 will work for cutting boards because generally speaking, you're not submerging your cutting boards for an extended period of time. So thank you for commenting, Alpha 9 Drone, and if you can shoot me an email to the email address that I'm putting on screen right now, that would be great, and we can coordinate how to get that cutting board to you, and I'll get that shipped off here pretty shortly. Alrighty, well thank you Alpha 9 Drone, and thank you everyone else, and thank you to every single subscriber that is on the channel. We really appreciate having you around, and we really appreciate you helping to make this community what it is, and that's exactly what this giveaway was for. So thank you all very much. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys around in all of the future episodes. Have a great one. Bye.